Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Freshdesk API using API keys. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Freshdesk API using API keys, you will need to follow these steps. First, log in to your Freshdesk account. Next, navigate to your profile settings. Locate the API key section within your profile settings. Copy your API key to your clipboard. Now, open your preferred development environment or code editor. Choose the programming language you will be using to interact with the API. For this example, we will use Python. Begin by installing the requests library if you haven't already. You can do this by running the command pip install requests. Once the setup is complete, create a new Python file in your editor. Import the requests library at the top of your file. Next, define the URL for the Freshdesk API endpoint you wish to access. Make sure to include the correct endpoint based on the data you need. Now, prepare your authentication credentials. Use the API key you copied earlier. Format the API key in the following way: your _API key X. Replace your _API key with the actual API key. Now, create a headers dictionary to include your authentication details. Add authorization as the key and the formatted API key as the value. Proceed to make a request to the API using the requests library. Use the appropriate HTTP method for your request, such as GET or POST. Pass the URL and headers into the request function. For example, you can use requests.get for a GET request. Store the response in a variable to process later. Check the status code of the response to confirm successful authentication. If the status code is 200, your authentication is successful. Now, you can work with the data returned from the API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.